Goplus Table Saw. Equipped with high-power 15-amp motor and low noise, this table saw delivers 5,000 RPM cutting performance to rip through various kinds of hardwood with ease, and the heavy-duty table saw stand effectively prevents the table from rollover during cutting. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 36 Tooth Blade and Aluminum Tabletop. Coated aluminum tabletop with 26 inches rip capacity can easily rip through larger wood material and reduce extra friction for smoother sliding. The table saw features a 36T carbide-tipped blade, which is designed with a transparent guard and riving knife to protect you from accidental hurt and flying chips. Number 2. Double Bevel Cutting and Adjustable Height. Featuring the double bevel cutting from 0 to 45 degrees. This table saw provides cross-cut at 90 degrees 3 inches and bevel cut at 45 degrees 2/2 inches, and portable table saw has a large hand wheel to control the blade lifting. Convenient for different needs, such as slotting, ripping, or cutting. Number 3. Miter Gauge and Rip Fence. Sliding miter gauge can be adjusted from -45 degrees to 45 degrees for cross-cutting, and self-aligning rip fence with a parallel guide on both sides assists the more precise and stable cutting without any wobbling. Number 4. Ergonomic Benchtop Table Saw. Onboard storage system is convenient for your wrench and pushes stick when not in use. The on-off safety switch is available to control the table saw stand and provide overload protection. And the 10 inches table saw can be used without the stand, which is convenient for outdoor wood cutting. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.